आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello students, question is limit x tends to infinity 2 square root x minus 3 cube root x minus 4 plus 4 fourth root x plus n nth root x upon square root 2x minus 3 cube root 2x minus 3 and so on. Okay, so let's solve this problem. See, when I saw this question, the answer I find in only 10 seconds. So what exactly I know when limit n tends to infinity or x tends to infinity? The thing which I know is in infinity by infinity form. See, this is infinity by infinity form. How? If we'll put x infinity, this whole term will become infinity. This will become infinity, 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 infinity. And infinity plus infinity plus infinity plus infinity will give infinity. And similarly in denominator, 2 into infinity will be infinity, minus 3 will be infinity, and square root of infinity will be infinity. So every term will be infinity, infinity, and addition of this all infinity will be infinity. So what I exactly know in infinity by infinity? See, here many terms are in numerator, many terms are infinity. And similarly in denominator, many terms are infinity. So if in numerator many terms are infinity and if in denominator many terms are infinity, so we need to find which infinity is larger. If you'll see, this infinity is larger because this is only a square root infinity and this is cube root infinity. So a square root infinity will be greater than cube root infinity and cube root infinity will be greater than fourth root infinity. Okay, so this is larger infinity. And similarly in denominator, this is a square root infinity, so this will be larger infinity. Now I am going to see both infinity, this infinity. If you see, this is a square root infinity and this is also a square root infinity. A square root infinity, a square root infinity. It means that both infinity are same. And if both infinity are same, so what is answer? Coefficient of this both infinity. Okay, see, coefficient of this infinity is 2 upon coefficient of this infinity, x is infinity, is 2 and 2 is under a square root. So this will be a square root 2 and this will cancel to give a square root 2 and this is our final answer. Or what you can do to understand more the denominator part. Numerator part is okay. Numerator part coefficient is 2. In denominator part, you can take 2 common. When you take 2 common from a square root, this will be a square root 2 and this will be a square root x minus 3 upon 2 and this is a square root x. If you see, both x have same coefficient 1 and 1. So now this both infinity is same. Okay, and when this both infinity is same, when both infinity is same, what is answer? Coefficient of both infinity. So this coefficient is 2, this coefficient is root 2. Okay, no problem. Thank you students.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।